Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise water pollution. Please listen to me very carefully. What is water pollution? The contamination of water with undesirable substances which cause harmful effects on both living organisms and non-living objects is called water pollution. That means water pollution is a kind of undesirable change. Now, what are the harmful and unwanted substances? The harmful and unwanted substances which contaminate the water and cause water pollution are called water pollutants. For example, pesticides, oil, fertilizers, synthetic detergents, chemicals, etc. Fertilizers, pesticides, you know very well, it is used in the agricultural field, and synthetic detergents, whether it is Tide or let's say Surf Excel or Nirma, you use it for washing clothes, etc. Now let us discuss the causes of water pollution. There are various causes of water pollution. First and foremost, domestic sewage. Sewage water containing human urine, feces, animal dung, detergents, etc. are discharged directly into the rivers, lakes, and seas. So these substances that are present, it is really very toxic in nature. It brings about undesirable change in the quality of water. Number two is industrial wastes. What are these? It includes toxic, means poisonous, harmful substances such as acids and salts. Now, salts of mainly metals like zinc, lead, nickel, mercury, arsenic, etc. Number three, agricultural wastes. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides in the agricultural fields find their way to water bodies. Now, how is this possible? During the monsoons, when there is excessive rainfall, sometimes you see the paddy field or the agricultural field is submerged in water. So these fertilizers that were used earlier, it goes into solution and the water is carried finally into the lakes, maybe pond or rivers. Number four, oil spillage. Leakage of oil tankers cause oil spills, thereby affecting the marine plants and animals. For instance, if there is leakage, maybe accidental, who knows, then what happens is the fuel, the what do you call the maybe it's carrying, the oil tanker is carrying diesel, petrol, or crude oil. It leaks into the sea, ocean, thereby causing harm to the marine plants and animals. Number five, acid rain. What do you understand by the term acid rain? Acid rain contains dissolved acids like nitric acid and sulfuric acid. The acids are formed when oxides of nitrogen, like nitrogen dioxide, etc., and sulfur present in polluted air come in contact with rain water. So let's say if sulfur dioxide or sulfur trioxide, which is present in polluted air, when it comes in contact with rainwater, it forms acids. Acid rain pollutes water bodies, soil, buildings, monuments, and increases the corrosion of metals. Now let us discuss prevention of water pollution. How can we prevent pollution of water? Number one, washing clothes, cleaning utensils, or bathing in lakes or ponds should be restricted. Number two, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides should be discouraged. So we should use to the minimum. Number three, domestic sewage should be treated at the sewage treatment plant to remove toxic substances. That means to remove harmful substances. Number four, dead bodies should be cremated or buried and not disposed of in a river or a lake. Is that clear? Number five, educating the public about the harmful effects of water pollution. That means we have to bring awareness amongst the people about water pollution. And finally, the use of synthetic detergents should be minimized. That means we should not use too much of synthetic detergents for washing our clothes, etc. That brings us to the end of the lesson. Please revise the lesson thoroughly. Do watch the video carefully before answering the questions that's given in the assignment. Thank you.